In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track purchase event in Kajabi. If you've been wondering where to confirm that a sale actually happened, or how to review what customers purchased and when, this walkthrough will make it clear and simple. Inside Kajabi, the hub for all purchase activity lives in one place, the Transactions area. From your main dashboard, head to Sales, then choose Payments, and open Transactions. This view is your live ledger of purchase events. Every line you see represents a transaction tied to an offer on your site, and it's the most reliable place to validate that a purchase was completed. Once you're on the Transactions page, take a moment to get familiar with what you're seeing. You'll notice essential details like the date and time of the purchase, the customer, the offer or product, the amount charged, and the status. Status is key when you're tracking events. Succeeded indicates a completed purchase. Pending can mean the payment is still processing. Refunded reflects money returned, and failed or disputed flags transactions that didn't finalize. If you're verifying that a purchase event occurred, look specifically for entries marked Succeeded. To narrow down what you're looking at, use the filters at the top. You can set a date range to focus on today, this week, or a custom window that matches your campaign. You can filter by status to see only successful purchases, and you can search by customer or offer to find exact transactions faster. Sorting by date or amount can also help you spot spikes from a launch or promotion. A helpful tip is to cross-check the timestamp in transactions with your marketing activities. If you opened cart at a certain hour, adjust the date and time filters to that window to confirm purchases tied to the launch. Keep in mind that payment processors can introduce brief delays, so give it a minute or two if you're monitoring in real time. If you need to investigate details, opening a transaction record will show you more context, such as payment method and any notes related to the charge. This is especially useful if you're reconciling sales across multiple offers or verifying eligibility for bonuses or access. Finally, remember that Transactions is the source of truth for your sales reporting inside Kajabi. When in doubt, come back to Sales, then Payments, then Transactions to validate whether a purchase event occurred, confirm the status, and gather any details you need for support or bookkeeping. That's all you need to confidently track purchase events in Kajabi.